How to add emojis to contact name in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to add the emojis to the contact name, what you need to do is go to the phone application over here, and then you can select any of the contact that you want to add the emoji to. So for example, if I'm going to select on this contact over here, then you can select on add contact, and as a tap on add contact, you'll be able to save their first name over here. Now you can just mention as their name and then select on the emoji option in the keyboard, then select any of the emoji over here. So I'm gonna select on this one over here, then tap on save, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.